The defense rests in the Lindsay Clancy trial. Today, jurors heard from forensic psychiatrist Phillip Resnick. He testified in the Andrea Yates case, another high-profile murder involving a mother and her children.
He says Clancy told him she felt an external force take over her body before the murders. WBZ's Logan was in court.
At the Plymouth courthouse on Friday in the triple murder trial of Lindsay Clancy, the defense called their star witness, forensic psychologist Dr. Phillip Resnick, who has testified in major cases such as Andrea Yates, Casey Anthony, and Jeffrey Dahmer.
On the day of the killing, I would label that a postpartum psychosis.
The defense is trying to convince the jury that Clancy was experiencing postpartum psychosis and didn't understand that what she was doing was wrong. Resnick told the jury that he believed Lindsay Clancy when she described hearing a male voice command her to kill her 3 children and take her own life.
Only did she hear a command, but she felt that her body was taken over by an external force where she was in a dream state and did not have control of her own body. It was almost like she was a puppet and someone else was pulling the strings.
But the prosecution called on psychiatrist Dr. Aver Mack, who had different findings in his evaluation of Clancy. He told the jury that Clancy indicated no signs of psychosis or mania when she killed her 5-year-old Cora, 3-year-old Dawson, and 8-month-old Callan.
My opinion about her diagnosis in the span from 2022 to 2023 is that she suffered from what's called a major depressive episode. That probably is a part of what's called a major depressive disorder.
Mack described Clancy's actions as organized and methodical, saying she calmly told her 3-year-old son Dawson to go to God. Mack testified that this phrase indicated an understanding of the situation. He also said that her suicide attempt appeared to be thoughtful and thorough as she took pills, cut her wrists, and jumped out of her window.
When there were moments when she thought about harming the children, when she had the thoughts about that, she was aware in those moments beforehand that that was wrong or against the law and that she could be punished for such an act.
Mack is set to return to the stand on Monday as the defense continues their cross-examination. Reporting in Plymouth, I'm Logan Hall, WBZ News.
And when testimony resumes on Monday, you'll be able to watch it live on our streaming service, CBS News Boston, and on the CBS News Boston YouTube page.